I just get out of the shower, I'm ready to go. Today's video is about Shinjuku. So we're gonna head to Shinjuku first. Shinjuku is really crowded neighborhood. Even the train station, I think it's one of the biggest in the world. You got tons of shopping places, you got restaurants, you got bars, and you also got a park and some shrines. So we're gonna try to do that because the other day it was closed when I came. You got the red light district, which is called Kabukicho, and the other one is called Golden Gai, and it's about 200 bars. And then we're gonna head to Shin Okubo, which is actually the Korean town of Tokyo, and you got street food, you got Korean barbecue, you got makeup stores, K-pop stores. I'm not a fan of K-pop at all, but if you're looking for it, that's where you're gonna find it. But the other time I went, I think it was the weekend, and it was so crowded. It got really annoying when there's too many people. That was not enjoyable. So today it's Monday and the weather is shit, so I hope there's not too many people there. Yeah, the weather here, it's July, so it's actually the rainy season, and it's been raining for I think 2 or 3 weeks straight. Like every single day we have rain.
Pop the top, fill my cup up, yeah. Keep on pouring till I'm up, oh yeah. Diamonds on me with my shirt tucked, yeah. Mink was 80K, oh yeah.
So I've been walking for 10 minutes straight. When you're into Shinjuku station, just take the exit Metropolitan building, because that's where we're heading, and you just walk underground for 10 minutes. It's always straight, it's always written Metropolitan building, so you can't get lost. And the final exit is A4. So here we are, and maybe you don't know, but in 2020, so next year, the Olympic Games are taking place in Tokyo. So they're kind of rebuilding some stuff like roads, buildings, the train station, everything, so will be more comfortable for tourists when they come. So in this building you don't need to pay, you have a free view of the whole skyline of Tokyo for free. So just take the elevator, it's written, again you can get lost, and yeah, try to go when it's bright sunny so you can see Mount Fuji. I don't know if today we're gonna see it, but we'll see. Okay, so the line was so huge. I think it's about 30 minutes, maybe more, of waiting, so we don't have time for that. Maybe try to go there early morning or on another day than Monday. I'm just gonna put in my video the previous video that I've done, because when I came here in December I had no queue. Like it was maybe 2 minutes queuing, not even more. So I'm just gonna put my videos from this day now. Now we're gonna grab some bubble tea at a place called Mocha, and then we're gonna head back to the Shinjuku station, because in this area on the west of Shinjuku you got nothing except the Metropolitan building. So yeah, just go early for the view and then just go back to Shinjuku so it's done.
Some things don't sit right this close to midnight. You're someone else in this light. Ooh.
Again, all of this is just huge malls. Like you have 5 or 6 floors of shops. Here it's shops. All of this place is shops. And here you got all the technology kind of stuff.
You're gonna say something you don't
what? It's just raining again. I'm really sick of this weather. It's been weeks now that it's raining, so of course I forgot my umbrella, and I understand now why people are just so depressed here. I hope it stops so we can just see the streets, because we still have a lot of stuff to do. I like this side of the station, especially during Christmas. It was really cute. You got lights and you get an amazing view of Shinjuku and of the kind of Empire State Building. I'm gonna show you. Take it too far. Hold my ears, say la da da da. So we are now in Shinjuku Gyoen Park, and it closes in 1 hour, I guess. I got pissed off because the price is 500 yens for adult. I feel like it's expensive. It's just a park. Like, we have incredible, beautiful parks in Europe, and it doesn't cost that price. Most of the time it's free, and when it's expensive, it's really worth it. So the park is really cute, and I feel like it's really worth it because you can see the contrast between the city and the buildings and also the nature. So you got, yeah, a really nice landscape. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, this is 10 times better in reality. So we've had enough of gardens and green, so we're now heading to Kabukicho, which is the red light district, and also Golden Gai with the bars. So here you got a kind of hidden path with really small trees, and just next to it it's Golden Gai. So you got a map with all the bars. There's about like 200 bars, but again, it's not allowed to take pics, so I'm not gonna risk it or get in trouble. So I don't speak Japanese. I don't want to have like a stupid conversation about that. So I just filmed for you the entrance. Because I entered from Golden Gai, we are on the right side of Kabukicho, and we are around the robot restaurant. I'm gonna show you. So we didn't enter from the red gate, but I'm gonna go back there so you can see from where you should enter. You got a lot of sex shops and girls bars. So yeah, I've seen stuff here really weird, like really creepy.
Mink was 80, oh yeah. I like that, but not for long. Then I go cop another one. Some people think I'm living wrong. We live this life, but not for long.
stop by Don Quixote. It's just behind me. Don Quixote is really famous here. You got Don Quixote almost in every neighborhood, and it's about like 5 or 6 floors. You find every single thing. If you want to buy souvenirs, just go there. Sometimes it's a little bit pricey, but for some souvenirs it's okay. I've never seen any shops in my life that looks like Don Quixote. I couldn't explain.
Hey, why you so mad? Never look back. Can't let up the gas. We moving so fast. Yeah, let's make it last. Yeah, I'm on you.
We are now in the south of Koreatown, and we're gonna try to find something to eat because I'm hungry, and then I hope there's not too many people in the makeup stores. Now we are in the main street of Koreatown, and it's still crowded. I feel like this place is always crowded.
너도 느껴봐 홀린 날 따라와 모두 한호에 너도 아닌 척해도 넌 한번 내기를 해볼까 너무 쉽게 놓지마 재미없잖아 거기서
What we're gonna do now is we're gonna head back to Shinjuku Station, and we're gonna get through Omoide Yokosho because it's a really cute street. I feel like, to me, it's the cutest street in Tokyo, but it's gonna be crowded because it's night.
Some things don't sit right this close to midnight. You're someone else in this